Hello everybody, this is Noah, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and review of the Spider-Man Limited Edition collection. This is the collection of the 3 movies that's starring Tobey Maguire as Spider-Man, and these are some of my favorite superhero movies, not gonna lie. I do like a lot of superhero movies, but Spider-Man has to be my favorite superhero, and Sam Raimi just does an excellent job at directing these movies. And so actually what I have here is the Digibook, and this is all 3 of Sam Raimi's Spider-Man movies in one box. It has Blu-ray and digital of all 3 movies, and it has lots of artwork and descriptions, and I will be showing you it all inside. And I picked it up actually at Target. I believe it was for 24 bucks and got it with a cartwheel deal. So head on down to Target if you want to pick one up for yourself, or you can buy it from other stores like Amazon. But anyways, let's get it open. Alright, so now that it is open, we can kind of see the very nice packaging. It's like Spider-Man is slightly embossed on the front here, and then behind him are like gold silhouettes of the 4 villains that are in the movie. Spoiler alert, you got Green Goblin, Doc Ock, Sandman, and Venom. And I'm actually really excited for the new Venom movie that's coming out. I know a lot of people aren't, but I am. I didn't particularly like him in Spider-Man 3. I didn't like his actor that played him. But Tom Hardy is going to be in the new Venom movie, so I'm very excited for that. But anyways, let's not talk about Venom, we'll talk about Spider-Man. So flipping open the cover, we have an awesome picture from Spider-Man 1. And I think first couple pages are going to be art and kind of just information about the movies. So that's really cool. I'll definitely have to read these after the video or another time. But there's a lot of cool stuff they have here actually that I was not expecting to get this much information. There's just quite a lot of details in here. I'm surprised. But I'll be definitely reading up on this later. Anyways, let me pull this out before it slips out all the way. This is the digital code for, looks like one code for all 3 movies. So I will be setting that aside, but I will be redeeming that later. After getting through all of these pages of art and details, you're greeted with another picture. So that's really cool. I did that actually. I didn't even realize till now. Opening it up, you get the picture of Spider-Man, Mary Jane, and the last picture appears to be Peter Parker sitting at his kitchen table. So that's really cool actually. Flipping over to the first actual disc page, we got a picture of Spider-Man swinging on his web, and you got the Blu-ray disc right there. Awesome disc art. I really like that there's disc art. Paramount. Got a picture of Spider-Man and Doc Ock fighting on the train. That is like one of the best superhero scenes in my opinion. That very emotional scene, and I can watch it over and over and over again. Spider-Man 2 is just an amazing movie. And more disc art kind of matches. It doesn't really have a color theme, but each disc has a different color. And then you got Spider-Man in the symbiote suit in the mirror shot. That's a really cool shot, by the way. Spider-Man 3 wasn't the best movie, but still Tobey Maguire does a great job at acting, and Sam Raimi continues to direct another amazing Spider-Man movie, just not as great as the other 2. First 2 are just amazing. And then you got black for the disc art at the top, or the color theme, I guess. And then it looks like you got a bonus disc with blue at the top for the color theme. Pretty cool. And it doesn't seem to be like any information on the discs. It's mostly just art on these pages and shots from the film. So I would have liked to see some more like stuff written off to the side, like maybe a special features or something akin to that. And then it looks like on the last page you got Spider-Man chilling in a web with Mary Jane up there. I think that's from Spider-Man 2. Don't hate me if I'm wrong though. And then that's about it. On the back you have all of the features you'd see on like the back of a normal movie cover, so nothing really special there. But that's gonna about do it for this video, guys. Thank you all for watching. If you had any questions, please leave them down in the comment section. I try to look at and respond to every comment I get. And if you like this video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you're interested in more videos like this one. But yeah, that'll about do it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.